You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this French psychiatrist. Was he French? No. Yeah, he was born in France, but then he was in the US. He lived in the US. But his French pronunciation is Frantz Fanon. In French, Frantz Fanon. Fanon. So in English, Frantz Fanon. Fanon. Frantz Fanon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.